Technic Ball says hello to a new video. Today we show you how you can install TikTok on your Android TV. How this works exactly, you will find out after the intro. We have an Android TV here. In my case it is a Grundig, but of course this instruction works on every Android TV and we want to install TikTok on this one. If you go to the menu here and switch to the Play Store, you will see that you cannot find TikTok here. This means that you have the Play Store, but still not every app can be found and installed here. If we now switch to the Play Store and search for this app, you will see that there are no search results here. So here I search and enter TikTok. It is found here, but if we now go to the magnifying glass, you can see that there is no TikTok here. What is the solution? The solution is, of course, you install Aptoide TV. At the end of the video we show you how you can install the whole thing. So we go back to the home page and here we have installed Aptoide TV. As I said, at the end of the video you can see how the whole thing is installed. We select Aptoide TV. This is nothing more than another store where you can download almost any app. Here we go to the search, to the magnifying glass, and if we enter TikTok here, for example, you will see that this is not a problem at all. So, we have TikTok here, we select it and you see TikTok for Android TV. We select this and click here on Install. Download is running, a few seconds, then we can install the whole thing. Now the whole thing is being installed. We click here on Install. App is ready to install. We click on Finished. Now we can open the app here and log in here. We click on Open and now you only have to register with your access data. The requirement is of course that you also have TikTok. Either you do it with a QR code or you do it normally with the registration code or with your email address. In addition, you have the settings for the language and everything else here. You see how easy the whole thing works. With just a few clicks you can enjoy TikTok on the TV. If you have any questions, then use the comment function, subscribe to our channel, then you will always be up to date. Technic Bausak, thanks for watching and goodbye.